Let's explore the best practices for securing your MongoDB Atlas deployment, focusing on network access and authentication. These are crucial for protecting your data and ensuring only authorized users can access your database. The security of your MongoDB Atlas deployment is built on two fundamental layers: network access and authentication. Network access allows you to control who can connect to your cluster, acting as the first line of defense. Authentication verifies the identity of users before granting them access, ensuring that only authorized individuals can interact with your data. Atlas uses Internet Protocol access lists to control which Internet Protocol addresses can connect to your cluster. By default, all connections are blocked until explicitly allowed. This means that unless you specifically authorize an Internet Protocol address, it won't be able to access your database. Here are some common Internet Protocol access patterns. To allow a specific Internet Protocol address, use the following format: 203.0.113.15/32. To allow an Internet Protocol range using classless interdomain routing, use the following format: 192.168.1.0/24. Allowing access from anywhere is generally not recommended for security reasons. If you must do this, use the following: 0.0.0.0/0. Be very careful when using this last option. MongoDB Atlas provides several authentication methods to verify user identity. The most common method is using database users, which involves username and password authentication. Atlas also supports X.509 certificates, which offer certificate-based authentication for enhanced security. Here's an example of how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas cluster using a database user with Python. First, import the pymongo client. Then, create a connection using the Mongo client, providing your username, password, and cluster details. Finally, access your database and collection. Note that the string should be replaced with your connection string. To maintain a strong security posture for your MongoDB Atlas deployment, follow these best practices. Use strong passwords for database users. Regularly rotate passwords and credentials. Limit Internet Protocol access to specific addresses only. Monitor access logs and be aware of any unusual activity. In summary, combining network access control with strong authentication methods results in a secure Atlas deployment. Remember that consistent monitoring and adherence to security best practices are essential for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of your data. This is MongoDB Atlas Security. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.